Hi everyone. So today I'm setting up my MaxJax and turning my garage gym into DIY dream. If you're into working on your car, wherever it's changing the oil or doing the bigger jobs, this thing is a total game changer. So after making my research, I'm confident that this is one of the best options for your homemade workshop. I love that it's portable. I can get it when I need it and still use my garage normally when I require more space. First thing first, I had to make sure my garage floor is up to it. You need at least 10 centimeters of solid concrete. I checked for the cracks and cleared the area. Then I laid out the post, set up mine for 2.6 meter apart, but then the kit includes a helpful template to guide you, so don't worry. Remember, measuring twice save headache later. Now the fun part. Drilling through the tiles and concrete. I use a D-wood hammer with 22mm concrete drill bit and 20mm diamond drill bit. It's loud and a bit messy, but once the holes were done, I dropped in the anchors and used the special setting tool that comes in the kit. After that, I bolted the post down and tightened everything up to the right torque. Not gonna lie, it felt pretty satisfying knowing that those posts weren't going anywhere. Alright, so I have already got everything set up with the ramp, and honestly that's pretty much it. But if you're interested in how I did it, stick around. In the next few minutes I will walk you through my process. Or if you're in a rush, feel free to swipe through to the end of the video to see how it all comes together. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments, I got you.